All right, so as you get obsessed with verticals of plants, you start to kind of go different regions, different looks. Today I have this, I don't even know how to say it, Eriosyce species of cactus. Okay, this is what it looks like. And I really, really like it. I've seen big ones and they're friggin' cool. So I'm going to put it into a pot, just a repot. Pretty standard, nothing special with this repot. I want the actual cactus bulb to be quite far up, so I'm going to, there we go. They always seem to settle to the bottom as you, so very fucking spiky, beautiful. Look at that. So what I love is when you plant and when you repot, shall I say, and when you repot and you don't disturb the roots too much, the plant settles super dramatically. So that's my goal. I try to make that my goal in every repotting, is hopefully the plant doesn't, oh, I'm running out of soil. Hopefully the plant doesn't need too much so as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm just settling the soil, and then I'm going to give it a good deep watering, because this is going to go to a very hot place in the house, a lot of sun, so it ain't going to be shy of there we go. Whoops, before I do that, always return the soil, and then we stone the top. Easy as pie. Quick couple of minutes, done.